Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. Oh my gosh, this is not good. Everybody, welcome back. Today I will be doing a platform for the ATV, just for utility purposes, and also can be used with cars as well. Alright, here's the piece. It's about 20 centimeters wide. So we will chop this off and I will show you how it's done. Very quick explanation, basically what I'm doing. The length of the boards will be 80 centimeters. This is 80 centimeters. The sides though will be 60. Here it is, I measure 60. And basically the place where the wheel will go up, it will be 30 centimeters from here up to here. So now I'm just gonna cut this, make the first one, and then apply it to the rest four. Here's the length, here's the height. As I mentioned, this is 60 centimeters long. And here at the middle, I draw a line and then I cut it like this. Here it is. So basically, so this should go on top of this. All right, so I cut them all at the right size. Very important. Here the angle should be on both pieces very equal. And because I didn't cut them straight, now I'm gonna need to use a grinder so I can grind the places that are not straight and equal. And I want to apologize about the angle, but my clip-on mount broke the other day, so I'm waiting the new one to arrive. All right guys, so basically what we got so far is this piece right here. Look how it looks. I've seen on YouTube another guy that puts here in the middle another one piece of wood. I don't think that's necessary though, because here the width is very short, so it's a strong structure. So basically what I'm gonna do now is just attach those two. Those will come here. We do some grinding after that. And because I'm short, just a few centimeters right here, I don't have another piece of wood with that width. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut this piece on two, just gonna attach it here so we got a nice smooth transition, and that will be all right guys. So we got the final product ready. I grind it just a little bit so it can have a little bit nice smooth finish. Looks pretty awesome. I'm gonna take them now, and I attach on the sides hand grips so you can carry them a bit easier. They are not very heavy. They're pretty much they're pretty much, I would say, like 4 kilos each, which is not that much. But the important thing is that the structure is very stable and it will be able to handle even a car. So yeah, looking forward. Tomorrow I'm putting the snow plow, can't wait. And one of the reasons I did this platforms is to be easier for me to install the snow plow and have it ready for the winter, because anytime soon it will start snowing here. So I just want to have them ready. Here they are. So next video will be snow plowing. Can't wait for it. Thank you very much for watching. You can leave me a comment down below in the comment section. If you want to ask me something, I'm very good in replying on all the comments. So yeah, have a nice day and see you next time.